This video, I'm going to teach you how to use FBS trading app. To do that, I have in here this article that can help you. So about this app, it has a very low minimum deposit with simple account setup and beginner-friendly trading platforms. So as you can see, it's good for beginners if you want to start with a small capital and trade mainly on mobile or MT4 or MT5. So in here, so you can start by opening an FBS account by clicking on this link. The link is actually the actual option for FBS. You can register by adding in your email and phone, your basic information, and your ID. Now you can deposit funds. It has a low entry barrier. Minimum starts with $1. However, it is region dependent. There's multiple local payment methods with fast deposit process. Now you can choose the right trading platform such as MT4, which is good for beginners because it has a simple interface, or you can use MT5 with beginners planning long-term growth. So head over and install the application and start trading using Forex pairs, gold and silver, indices, and crypto. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.